Valerian, known scientifically as Valeriana officinalis, is a perennial flowering plant that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly for its sedative and calming effects. While it is most commonly recognized for its ability to promote sleep and reduce anxiety, emerging scientific evidence suggests that valerian may also be effective in alleviating period pain, also known as dysmenorrhea. This article explores the mechanisms by which valerian works, supported by scientific research, to relieve menstrual discomfort. Understanding period pain. Period pain is a common experience for many women, characterized by cramping and discomfort in the lower abdomen before and during menstruation. It is primarily caused by the release of prostaglandins, hormones that trigger uterine contractions. Higher levels of prostaglandins are often linked to more severe pain, while over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen are frequently used to manage this pain. Some women seek natural alternatives due to side effects or personal preferences. The role of valerian in pain relief. Valerian is believed to have several mechanisms that contribute to its effectiveness in relieving period pain. One of the primary active compounds in valerian root is valerianic acid, which has been shown to influence GABA-gamma aminobutyric acid receptors in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces neuronal excitability. By enhancing GABAergic activity, valerian may help to calm the nervous system, reducing the perception of pain. Anti-inflammatory properties. Research has also indicated that valerian may possess anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial in alleviating period pain. Inflammation plays a significant role in the severity of dysmenorrhea, as it can exacerbate uterine contractions and lead to increased discomfort. Some studies have suggested that valerian can inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which may reduce inflammation in the body. This anti-inflammatory effect, combined with its calming properties, positions valerian as a potential natural remedy for menstrual pain. Clinical studies supporting valerian's efficacy. Several clinical studies have investigated the efficacy of valerian for menstrual pain. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology examined the effects of valerian extract on women experiencing dysmenorrhea. The study found that participants who took valerian reported significant reductions in pain levels compared to those who received a placebo. The results indicated that valerian could be an effective alternative for managing period pain without the side effects associated with traditional pain relievers. Another study published in Phytotherapy Research evaluated the effectiveness of a combination of valerian and other herbal extracts in treating menstrual discomfort. The researchers found that the herbal combination led to a notable decrease in pain intensity and improved overall well-being among participants. This suggests that valerian may work synergistically with other herbs to enhance its pain relieving properties. Safety and considerations. Valerian is generally considered safe for most people when used appropriately. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially for individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications. While valerian may be effective for many women, individual responses can vary, and it is crucial to monitor any potential side effects, such as dizziness or gastrointestinal discomfort. Conclusion. Valerian's potential effectiveness in alleviating period pain is supported by scientific research highlighting its mechanisms of action, including its impact on GABA receptors and its anti-inflammatory properties. Clinical studies further corroborate its role as a natural alternative for managing dysmenorrhea. As more women seek natural remedies for menstrual discomfort, valerian presents a promising option, offering relief without the side effects commonly associated with conventional pain medications. As always, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the best approach for managing period pain.